Have you ever looked at your handwriting and wondered why it doesn't look neat, even after lots of practice? The truth is, most people make a few common mistakes without realizing it. In this video, I'll show you 5 handwriting mistakes that make your writing look messy and how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Inconsistent letter. One of the biggest handwriting mistakes is writing some letters too big and others too small. When letter sizes keep changing, your handwriting looks untidy and difficult to read. Fix. Try to keep your letters the same height and size throughout the page. Mistake number 2. Poor spacing. Are your words too close together? Or so far apart that the sentence looks disconnected? Poor spacing can make even good handwriting look messy. Fix. Leave a small, consistent gap between words. A simple pen width gap works well. Mistake number 3. Writing too fast. Many people rush while writing. When you write too quickly, letters become unclear and inconsistent. Fix. Slow down slightly and focus on forming each letter correctly. Speed will improve naturally with practice. Mistake number 4. Incorrect pen grip. A poor pen grip can reduce control and make your handwriting uneven. It can also cause hand fatigue. Fix. Hold the pen comfortably with a relaxed grip. Avoid squeezing it too tightly. Mistake number 5. Lack of consistency. Some letters may be slanted while others are straight. Some words may look neat while others look rushed. This inconsistency makes handwriting appear messy. Fix. Try to maintain the same style, slant, and spacing throughout your writing. Improving your handwriting doesn't require expensive tools or special talent. Avoid these 5 common mistakes. Practice regularly, and you'll notice improvement over time. Which mistake do you think affects your handwriting the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more handwriting tips. Thanks for watching.